In this video, I'll tell you how to stop background apps in Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Background apps can slow down your computer, especially if a lot of them are running when you do not even need them. First, open Settings, then go to Apps and choose Installed Apps. Find the app you want to stop from running in the background. Click the three dots next to it and open Advanced Options. In the Background App Permissions section, change the setting to Never. This will stop that specific app from running in the background when it does not need to. The second thing you should check is Startup Apps. These are apps that open automatically when Windows 11 starts. Go back to Settings, Open Apps, and then choose Startup. From here, turn off apps you do not need right after starting your computer. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can reduce resource usage and may help your PC boot faster. That's basically the full method. If your computer feels slow, checking background permissions and startup apps is one of the easiest fixes to try before doing anything more complicated. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.